Whenever black dye mulch is discussed, the common question asked is whether or not black dye is safe. I'll start by answering this question, and we'll also look at other considerations like the source of black dye, along with the process to make the dye and the general benefits of using mulch. So, the safety of black dyed mulch depends on whether or not the mulch is certified by the Mulch and Soil Council. If not certified, the mulch may contain recycled wood from pallets and construction sites that often contain treated wood, which may include CCA or chromated copper arsenate. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, these materials are not to be ground into mulch, and all certified mulch should pass chemical testing for CCA. On the other hand, if the mulch is certified, then these materials should be safe according to the Mulch and Soil Council. But before you dig your hands into black dyed mulch, let's look at the typical dye used in black mulch, which, according to the Mulch and Soil Council, is carbon black. Carbon black is pure carbon, which is used in materials such as tires, belts, virtually all other rubber goods, videos and audio tapes, nearly all electric motors, as the brush contacts, insulators, and dry cell batteries. As a pigment, it is used as a toner for paper copiers and printers, inks for newspaper, and in most dark-colored paints and coatings. So, looking at this list, does it make sense to add carbon black on top of living soil and around living plants that your family and friends may come in contact with? So, if you're still not convinced, consider how carbon black is manufactured. According to EPA.gov, carbon black is produced by the reaction of hydrocarbon fuel such as oil with a limited supply of combustion air at temperatures of over 2,400 degrees Fahrenheit. The unburned carbon is collected as extremely fine black, fluffy particles. All the energy to make and transport the dye is not good for the environment. So, if we are going to use black dyed mulch, we want to make sure there is a strong benefit for the soil and plants. Next, let's look at the top 5 benefits of mulch and look to see which are enhanced by adding a black dye. Before I start, please click subscribe if you like this video and seeing environmentally friendly gardening content. Okay, the first benefit is mulch regulates soil temperature. This is an image from Oklahoma State University with midsummer temperatures measured 1 inch deep in the soil. The orange line is the non-mulch temperature, which fluctuates between 80 and around 115 degrees, while the mulched soil stays within 10 degrees throughout the day. The second benefit is mulch helps to maintain a good level of moisture in the soil where it can be absorbed by the roots. The third benefit is mulch prevents erosion. Rain has an average speed of 14 miles per hour, with heavier rain being closer to 20 miles per hour, which causes unprotected soil to wash away along with valuable nutrients. The fourth benefit is mulch adds organic matter and nutrients to the soil as it breaks down. And the last benefit is mulch helps to prevent weeds by preventing sunlight from reaching weed seeds so they do not germinate. None of these benefits, or any of the other benefits of mulch not discussed here, are enhanced with the addition of a black dye. Some of the benefits are negatively impacted, like regulating the temperature in the summer, which would be worse by adding a black dye. There would also be a reduction in organic matter if treated lumber was used. So, for me, it's an easy decision regardless of black dye mulch being certified by the council or not. It's just too hard to ignore the environmental impacts from making products, especially when there are no tangible benefits, and it will fade in a few short months. Thank you for watching and learning with us.